Hello and welcome back to a quick daily tech brief. Let's go straight to some news. From the linuxjournal.com, when Linux demos go wrong. It says here that this person was doing a live demonstration on YouTube using, I guess, Linux, and apparently something went wrong. He was going to show how to rip music from CDs using various applications, and it says here that's when things fell apart. And he had to reboot the system to continue. Reboot the system? What? What is this? Windows? You know, to be fair, I don't recall ever having to reboot my system during a live stream in Linux or Windows. I guess for me, they both work. Alright, some car tech news. Ford GM plan to end Sonic, Fiesta, and Taurus in the United States. I don't think I've heard of the Sonic. Fiesta is a small car. The Taurus used to be a top-selling car. I guess they will shift to trucks and utilities by 2020. Those are going to be 90% of their volume. Wow. That's interesting. I guess there's a higher profit in those types of vehicles. Okay, and finally, of course, what else is in the news? Facebook. This is from bgr.com. It says, of course, Facebook has been spying on your messenger chats. Well, that's a surprise. Well, what could I say, guys? Don't use Facebook. I still do. Speaking of Facebook, you can join me tomorrow night, Friday night, for a live discussion. Is Facebook finished? 8:30 p.m. local time, Eastern time here in the United States. And we'll talk about Facebook and see what's going on and see what the future holds for Spybook. What else can we call it, right? All right, that's all I have for this quick daily tech brief. Maybe I'll catch you tomorrow night, 8:30 p.m. Stop by, say hello. Don't be shy.